Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about bathroom makeover. The first item in this project is going to be a waste that I will make it from this glass bottle. Apply some glue first and then cover half of the bottle with the Jute twine. In order to save your time, use 4 or 5 twines at a time. It's an efficient and smart way of doing it. Bathroom is one of the most important parts of the house, but we usually forget to give it a makeover every now and then. So this project is very rental friendly, or if you're renting the place or if you love to move things around, you can use these methods to give your bathroom a very fresh makeover. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Once the first half is done, I will cover the bottom of the bottle using the same method, but coming from the bottom to the top. I covered 4 inches on the top of the bottle and 1.5 inches of the bottom. But if you like to cover the whole bottle itself, please go ahead and do it. It will look great. Collected the shells from the beach, but you can find the stones and the shells from Hobby Lobby, Joann, Michaels, or your closest Walmart. All of them, they have it. I will pour the stones first and then we'll put some shells on top of it to give it a beautiful beachy look. After attaching some shells to the bottle, I will put some flowers on it and our project will be done. You can use some branches, artificial flowers or artificial leaves. This project was very budget friendly. It costed me only $2.50. I will use this metal basket to put hand towels in the bathroom. I will attach some shells using some glue gun to the basket. Once my design will be done, I will start covering it with some twine. For the twine part, we will twist 4 or 5 twines with each other to make a fuller look. Then we will attach it to the basket. The difference between the previous method and now is that using twine in a straight line will give it a flat look, just like the bottle, and twisting them around will make it look fuller, like a rope. I got these baskets from the Dollar Tree. They have it in both white and black color. I will use the white, that's for sure. The first thing is that I love the white color, and the second thing is that it gives the illusion of having a bigger room. Using the remaining of the twine, I will make a bow to give my basket a final touch. And the project is done. The total cost for this project will be $2. So the third thing that I want to do for this bathroom makeover is to have a basket wall decor. I will use the basket and some Jute twines. We'll use the same method that we used previously for the hand towel basket. We'll twist them around and attach it to the back of the basket. Then we'll attach some some shelves and a bow, and the project will be done. The total cost for this is going to be $3 only. I hope you will like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of these ideas. Comment below and share your ideas with me as well. Thank you so much for watching.